Hello everybody, Jonathan Rayo here with Simplified Guitar, and in this lesson I want to teach you how to play the song You Make Me Brave by Bethel Music. As always, I'm going to play the song for you first, and then after I play it I'm going to break it down and explain it to you in more detail, so be sure to stick around for that. For now, let's go ahead and play through the song.
I stand before you now, the greatness of your renown. I have heard of the majesty and wonder of you, King of heaven. In humility I bow as your love, wave after wave, crashes over me, crashes over me. For you are for us, you are not against us, champion of heaven. You made a way for all to enter in. I've heard you call my name. I've heard the song of love that you sing. So I will let you draw me out beyond the shore into your grace. Oh, your grace, as your love, wave after wave, crashes over me, crashes over me. For you are for us, you are not against us, champion of heaven. You made a way for all to enter in. You make me brave, you make me brave. You call me out beyond the shore to the wave. You make me brave, you make me brave. No fear can hinder now the promises you made. You make me brave, you make me brave. You call me out beyond the shore to the wave. You make me brave, you make me brave. No fear can hinder now the promises you made. As your love, wave after wave, crashes over me, crashes over me. For you are for us, you are not against us, champion of heaven. You made a way for all to enter in.
Okay, so I'm playing this song in the key of E, and I'm going to be using 5 chords from the E chord family. So we have the E chord, A2 chord, B suspended, C sharp minor, and F sharp minor. Now I'm using what's called open chords to replace the traditional way to play a lot of these chords, because you'll notice that the B and the high E string are open for the entire song, okay? So every single chord that I play, the high E and the B string are open. I'm never pressing down on those strings. So, you know, instead of playing an A major, I'm playing A2 with my third and fourth finger, and that allows me to slide up to the B suspended and to slide up again to the C sharp minor. So it's the same shape for all these chords, okay? So that makes transitioning a lot easier. Plus, I don't have to do bar chords. I don't have to bar through all the strings here, and that's going to make it easier to play. We're going to be using the driving pattern for this song, which is a nice, easy 4-beat strum pattern. So we're going to have 4 down strums, and then we're going to add an up strum after beat 4, and then we're going to repeat. We also want to add emphasis on beats 1 and 3. So every other beat, we want to strum harder, and then for 2 and 4, we're going to strum softer, okay? So I'll just hold the E chord and play through that strum pattern slowly so you can hear what it would sound like. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 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 1. All right, if you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next lesson. Take care.